Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. What we have here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 9 raised to power x equals to log 60 on this side. The next step here, we apply the power of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. This here, we have x log 9 equals to log 60 on this side. The next step here, divide both sides by log 9. That is, divide this side by log 9. Also, divide this side by log 9. Which implies here log 9 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 60 over log 9. Then here, 60 can be written as 3 times 20. That is, all we have becomes x equals to log 3 times 20 over log 9. That is, here we apply the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, can write this as log a plus log b. That is, here we have x equals to log 3 plus log 20 over log 9. That is, next step here, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 20 over log 9. Then also here, we can write 20 as 4 times 5, which implies here we have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 4 times 5 over log 9. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 4 plus log 5 over log 9. Then next step here, we separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 4 over log 9 plus log 5 over log 9. The next step here, we can write 9 as 3 times 3, that's 3 square. And also 4 as 2 times 2, which is 2 square. And what we have becomes x equals to log 3 over log 3 squared plus log 2 squared over log 3 squared plus log 5 over log 3 squared. That is, here we apply the power of logarithm. 2 comes here, from here, and also here. And we have x equals to log 3 over 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2 over 2 log 3 plus log 5 over 2 log 3. The next step here, we have log 3 cancelled each other here. This becomes x equals to 1 over 2 and plus also 2 cancel each other here. We have log 2 over log 3 plus here we have 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 3. As this next step here, we apply change of base. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. As this here we have x equals to 1 over 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 base 3. Then here, I'll bring this together as one fraction, as this x equals to the LCM here, that's 2. Here we have 1 plus, this becomes 2 log 2 base 3, then plus here, remain log 5 base 3. As this we have the value of x in this problem. Then, let's check here. If this satisfies this given problem, this we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. Then what we have here becomes 9 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2 is it equals to 60 on this side. Then next step here, we can express 9 as 3 square, which is raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. Then is equals to 60 on this side. And this power multiplies 2 here cancel each other. We have 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 is it equals to 60 on this side. This follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n can be written as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. That is, here we have a raised to power 1 times 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 is it equals to 60 on this side. And 3 raised to power 1, that's 3 times, here we reverse this to power log. We have 3 raised to power log 2 square, which is 4 is 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 is it equals to 60 on this side. That is, here we have 3 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is, here we have 4 times 5 is it equals to 60 on this side. Then 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 3, that's 60, which is equals to 60 on this side. Left hand side is equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos. Turn the notification bell. Share this video with a thumbs up and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.